Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Logitech Zone Vibe 125 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily find your user manual. At first you have to open your web browser and then search for Logitech Zone Vibe. (125) User manual. Here, as you can see, Logitech.com Zone Vibe 125. For example, we can open this one, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.